Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Girly Care. In today's video I am gonna show you that how to glow up within a week. Drink 8 glasses of water daily, it keeps yourself hydrated. Do exercise daily at least for 30 minutes, it strengthens your muscles. Use sunscreen on your face and body to prevent sun tan. Reapply SPF after 30 minutes. Use DIY face mask. 1 tablespoon gram flour, 1 tablespoon curd, half tablespoon honey, pinch of turmeric. Eat healthy and nutritious food. Do not eat lots of fast food, it is bad for your body. Try to reduce your screen time. Don't use phone for more than 1 hour. Include minimal jewelry in your daily wear, it will uplift your look. Try different hairstyles, experiment with your hairs to look good. Apply coconut oil on your scalp for 30 minutes before hair wash. You must sleep for 8 hours daily, it keeps your mind calm and healthy. Keep your nails short and clean, try different nail paints. Brush your teeth twice in a day. It reduces the chance of bad breath. Take a cold shower daily in summers and mild hot water in winters. Do body scrub of sugar, lemon juice, honey. Use ice cubes for reduces dark circles and puffiness of eyes. Avoid too much sugar and sweets, it is cause skin sagging and wrinkles. Use Vaseline to make your perfume last longer. You just apply Vaseline before perfume. Always have a clean room, it's a reflection of your headspace. Read books at least for 45 minutes every day. Make distance from toxic peoples, don't be the part of gossips. Throw out all the stuff that you don't wear and go to buy new clothes. Set your goals and work on that. Create a specific plan for them. Learn how to communicate effectively, for nobody can ignore you. Practice self-love and positive affirmation. Get a new haircut, this will give you a new look. If you facing hair fall problem, then use hair conditioner after hair wash. If you have blackheads, so please don't pop it, apply honey and coffee. Don't use too much hairdressing supplies, it damages your hairs. Use scrunchies to tie your hairs instead of rubber ties. Don't wear loud makeup, do soft and natural makeup. I hope you enjoyed this video and it might be helpful. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.